Ever pondered how the ancient Indian philosophy interpreted the universe? A question that may seem unexpected, yet it links us to a profound understanding of the cosmos from an era long before modern science. Welcome to the enigmatic world of Vedanta, a philosophy that originated in ancient India, tracing its beginnings to the Upanishads, the concluding portions of the Vedas, often seen as the bedrock of spiritual wisdom. Vedanta, meaning the end of the Vedas, delves deep into the mysteries of the universe, aiming to unravel the truth behind our existence and the cosmos. At the heart of Vedanta lies Brahman, perceived as the ultimate reality, the grand cosmic principle, a force beyond our comprehension. It's not a being, but the very essence of existence, the fabric of the cosmos, the substratum on which the universe dances. It's the unseen puppeteer pulling the strings of the cosmic play. Next we have Atman, the individual soul, a spark of the divine, an aspect of Brahman within each of us. It's our true self, beyond the physical body, the mind, or the intellect, untouched by the fleeting experiences of joy, sorrow, or fear. It's the silent observer, the eternal witness of our life's drama. Then there's the concept of Maya, often translated as illusion. It's the veil that covers our perception, making us perceive the world as separate from us, making us forget our divine nature. Maya, in Vedanta, is the grand cosmic illusion, the magician that makes the one appear as many, the eternal appear as transient. Vedanta philosophy, thus, presents an intriguing perspective on the cosmos, one that we will explore in depth. It invites us to ponder the mysteries of the universe, not just with our intellect, but with our intuition, our inner vision. It beckons us to embark on a journey, not just to understand the universe outside, but to discover the universe within. So, are you ready for this cosmic exploration? Let's dive into the enigma of the universe through the lens of Vedanta. What if I told you that the Vedanta philosophy had insights into the modern scientific concepts we know today? Unbelievable? Well, let's take a journey that transcends time, space, and our traditional understanding of science. Vedanta, an ancient Indian philosophy, presents a profound understanding of the cosmos, which mirrors modern scientific concepts in an uncanny manner. Let's dive into the Vedantic interpretation of a few scientific phenomena. Consider the sun, our life-giving star. Ancient Vedantic scriptures refer to the sun's distance from Earth as yojanas. When translated to modern measurements, this distance astonishingly aligns with the current scientific understanding. Next, let's illuminate our minds with the speed of light. Vedanta introduced the concept of light year even before modern science coined the term. It referred to the speed of light as the speed of Vayu, or wind, which, when translated, remarkably matches the speed of light as we know it today. Gravity, the invisible force that keeps us grounded, also found a place in the Vedanta philosophy. The scriptures hint at the force of attraction that binds the universe together, a concept that resonates with our understanding of gravity. Finally, let's spin the wheel to the rotation of the Earth. Vedanta accurately describes the Earth's diurnal rotation long before the concept was established in the scientific community. It mentions the Earth moving on its axis, creating the cycle of day and night, aligning seamlessly with our current knowledge. So these ancient Vedantic interpretations, when viewed through the lens of modern science, present a fascinating overlap. It's as if the seers of the past had a telescope to the future, providing insights that resonate with our scientific understanding today. In essence, Vedanta philosophy takes us on a journey that intricately weaves together the threads of spirituality and science, offering a holistic understanding of the universe. It's a testament to the timeless wisdom of our ancestors and their profound understanding of the cosmos. Vedanta philosophy and modern science, though centuries apart, surprisingly speak the same language. It's a cosmic conversation that transcends time, bridging the gap between the ancient and the modern, the spiritual and the scientific. Did you know that the Pythagoras theorem was mentioned in the ancient Indian scriptures long before Pythagoras was even born? This may come as a surprise, but the mathematical genius of Vedanta philosophy extends far beyond philosophical musings. Let's dive into the depths of this ancient wisdom. Picture, if you will, the profound mathematical knowledge held within the Vedanta philosophy. The Pythagoras theorem, a fundamental principle in geometry, was not discovered in Greece as commonly believed, but in the sacred lands of ancient India. This theorem, a significant pillar of modern mathematics, was already known to the wise seers of India and was used in the intricate design and implementation of Vedic rituals. Take a moment to consider the magnitude of this knowledge. The Pythagoras theorem, which states that in a right-angled triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides, is a cornerstone of modern geometry. Yet it was known and utilized by the ancient Indians, proving that their understanding of the universe was far more advanced than we often give them credit for. This theorem was not just a theoretical concept for these ancient scholars. It was a practical tool used in the construction of fire altars for Vedic rituals. These altars were built using bricks of specific shapes, and their construction required a deep understanding of geometry and the Pythagoras theorem. The precision required for these rituals speaks volumes about the mathematical prowess of the ancient Indian philosophers. But the mathematical genius of Vedanta doesn't stop at geometry. The Vedanta philosophy also contains sophisticated concepts of algebra, trigonometry, and calculus, often wrapped in metaphorical language that adds an element of spiritual depth to these scientific principles. So, the next time you think of the Pythagoras theorem, remember that its roots extend far beyond the shores of Greece into the ancient lands of India, where philosophers were not just philosophers, but mathematicians and scientists of their time. The ancient Indian philosophers were not just philosophers, but mathematicians and scientists of their time. Gravity, a concept that Sir Isaac Newton is famous for, was not alien to the Vedanta philosophy. The ancient sages of India, who developed the Vedanta philosophy, held a deep and profound understanding of the universe. They recognized the interconnectedness of all things and the forces that hold them together, much like the force of gravity, which keeps us grounded on Earth and the planets in their orbits. In the Vedanta philosophy, the universe is seen as a grand play of forces and energies, constantly interacting and influencing one another. Just as the moon influences the tides on Earth, the Vedantists believe that there are unseen forces at play that bind the cosmos together. This belief aligns with the modern understanding of gravity, a force that pulls objects towards each other and keeps the universe from falling apart. The Vedanta philosophy also understood the concept of attraction, which is a key aspect of gravity. They believe that all things in the universe, from the smallest particle to the largest celestial body, are attracted to each other, a belief that resonates with the modern theory of gravitational attraction. Moreover, the Vedantists were aware of the effect of gravity on time and space, a concept that was later explored in Einstein's theory of relativity. They believed that time and space were not absolute, but were influenced by the movements and forces of the universe, including gravity. In conclusion, the Vedanta philosophy, developed centuries before modern science, had a profound understanding of the forces that govern the universe. It recognized the force of gravity, its effect on the cosmos, and its influence on time and space. The sages of Vedanta saw the universe as a grand play of forces, with gravity playing a key role in this cosmic dance. Gravity, as we know it today, was already a part of the cosmic understanding of the Vedanta philosophy. The parallels between Vedanta philosophy and modern science are fascinating, aren't they? This ancient Indian philosophy, steeped in spiritual wisdom, was seemingly ahead of its time, echoing concepts that are now central to our scientific understanding of the universe. Consider the distance of the sun, for instance. Modern science has meticulously calculated this distance. Yet Vedanta teachings, crafted thousands of years ago, hint at a similar understanding. It's as though the sages of old possessed a cosmic GPS, mapping the universe with astonishing precision. Then there's the speed of light, a cornerstone of Einstein's theory of relativity. Vedanta texts, written millennia ago, allude to a swiftness that outpaces even the wind, a description that aligns strikingly with our contemporary understanding of light's velocity. Gravity, another fundamental concept in modern physics, is also echoed in Vedanta philosophy. The concept of a force pulling us towards the earth, keeping us grounded, harmonizes with the Vedanta teachings of universal oneness and interconnectedness. The rotation of the earth, too, isn't left out. Vedanta philosophy subtly suggests a cyclic pattern in the universe, a rhythm that aligns with the Earth's daily spin and its yearly journey around the sun. And who can forget the Pythagorean theorem? This mathematical principle, so essential in geometry, finds an echo in the geometric symbolism prevalent in Vedanta philosophy. In essence, the teachings of Vedanta philosophy and the discoveries of modern science are not as divergent as they might initially appear. Rather, they both seek to unravel the mysteries of the universe, albeit through different lenses. One explores the cosmos through the prism of spirituality, the other through the lens of empirical observation and experimentation. The more we delve into the Vedanta philosophy, the more we realize that science and spirituality are but two sides of the same coin. They are complementary ways of understanding our place in the universe, of making sense of this vast, intricate, and endlessly fascinating cosmos we call home.